gonna install a grab handle in an INEOS Grenadier. There's two different sides and you do them differently. One side's real easy. It's just remove and replace. The cool thing about this is it's got a kind of a timeless look to it. It's powder coated, billet aluminum, and it's got a channel in here for, you know, RAM devices, things like that. You can put a mount in there for a phone and whatnot. All right, so we got our handle, we got our hardware. I'm gonna set that right here for now. And we're gonna need to use a pretty small screwdriver. You're gonna pick out this guy here. There's a little leash on there, and you're gonna pick out this guy over here. Again, there's a little leash, just kind of rotate them out of the way. I'm gonna use this little electric ratchet. So we got a T30 bit. Pull that one out. I'm gonna take the new one. That's it. Installed. Okay, so now we're gonna do the driver's side. So you notice you don't have your cutouts and you don't have an existing handle there. So we're gonna need to remove this and add the holes. So we're gonna remove this panel and simply come in here, pop that out. Pull that guy and we'll save that. And then remove this part out of the way. And then we're gonna come in here and remove that panel. And we're gonna go onto the bench and I'll show you how you're gonna set that up for the bench and you're gonna cut it out for the handle. I take my blue tape. I'm gonna set it on here. You're going to take this template. Now this template, this goes towards the windshield. So as we look at this, that's towards the windshield. And then this cutout here is going to line up with this guy here. So we're going to take that guy and we're going to trace this out. Remove these sections. So you can go in there and cut it out however you feel best. But we're going to use this little router here. So when you're cutting this and you got that router, make sure that you don't go too deep and you hit that piece of metal there. You can see where I just kind of was kissing it, but you want to make sure you're clear of that. We're going to do the same here. Once I'm done with the router, I come in here and just clean it up a little bit, take off the loose bits, because once it's installed, the handles are going to cover all of this. Okay, satisfied with the way it's cut out, and let's go put it in. So when you snap that back into place, you're gonna kind of put the bottom edge in first and come in here on the top. And we're gonna take our little 6mm bolt with the T30. And this guy's gonna pop in just like that. Now it's time for our handle. And snap the rubber back in place. And you're all set. Now you've got a nice handle for getting in and out on the driver's side. As well, you can do a phone mount here or any other type of electronics device you feel necessary for over there. Okay, there you go. So passenger side's easy. Driver's side, just one more step, cutting it out. You can see with the right tools, it went pretty quick. And we're all set. Thank you. Happy trails.